results? Or what would you say is the opposite, the diagonal opposite of that? Any guesses? People and relationships. So first think about that. Which is your focus? Which is your natural inclination? To gravitate towards tasks and results and just getting stuff done? Or is it about thinking about people and relationships? The second component of this is, what is your tendency? Is it to tell and direct? Or is it to, what would you say is the opposite of that?
Do it yourself.
Tell and direct, or ask and listen. So these are the dimensions. If someone has a tendency to be task-focused and results-focused and is oriented towards telling and directing as opposed to asking and listening, how would you describe this person? What's a word you might use? Any guesses? We call these people drivers. Okay, we'll describe them, each of these, in just a few minutes. What about someone who's task and results focused, but asks and listens rather than tells and directs? How would you describe this type of person? Any thoughts or guesses? We're going to call these people analyticals. What about this quadrant? People who are very people and relationship focused, and also ask and listen rather than tell and direct.
Awesome.
Awesome, okay. Here we're going to call, this is a tough one. This quadrant is called amiables. And the last one, and rather than yellow, I'm going to actually write it in black because you can't see yellow, although I will highlight it. What would you call, how might you describe people who tell and direct, but are also people and relationship focused? Any thoughts or guesses? We call these people expressives. So now, let me just put this up on the wall for a second. So let's take a look, and we're going to describe the characteristics of each of these in just a second. So here's your self-assessment. Here's the model. And any initial thoughts, before we go into any detail, any initial thoughts on whether or not you think that accurately reflects you? We'll give you more detail in just a second, some more color, as they say. Any initial thoughts, reactions? Do you see that sounds like me?